En réponse, la ministre a indiqué que depuis janvier 2025, 10 cas de féminicide ont été recensés à Maurice, dont 7 victimes disposaient déjà d'une protection order.
I am informed that for the period January 2025 to date, 10 cases of women killed and 6,478 cases of assault in circumstances linked to domestic or intimate partner violence have been recorded. Out of the 10 cases of women killed, 7 victims had previously reported incidents of threats, harassment, or violence to the authorities, which are still under investigation.
La ministre a précisé que le Domestic Abuse Bill en préparation viendra renforcer la lutte contre les violences domestiques. Ce projet de loi prévoit une définition plus claire du féminicide, élargit la protection à différents types de couples et impose entre autres aux professionnels de signaler les cas de violence.
Government has agreed to repeal the existing Protection from Domestic Violence Act and introduce a new Domestic Abuse Bill, which would broaden definitions to include other relationships, such as intimate partners not living under the same roof. B, introduce a mandatory reporting clause whereby professionals suspecting acts of domestic abuse would have the mandatory obligation to report the matter. C, define the different forms of abuse, including physical, financial, sexual, and psychological abuse. D, introduce a protection notice to be issued by the police for cases reported during the night or weekend to protect the victim from further acts of domestic violence pending the issue of a protection order. E, empower enforcement officers to make application for orders on behalf of victims who are unable to do so. F, facilitate access to police officers into the place of residence and accompany the victim inside to take his or her belongings. G, make a statement on the case in any police station, irrespective of where the incident of violence occurred. And H, provide for mandatory counseling and rehabilitation program for perpetrators.
Qualifiant la situation de critique, Joe Lejongar a voulu savoir quand ce projet de loi serait présenté au Parlement. La ministre est restée vague dans un premier temps, mais la speaker Chérine Obirodi-Zifra a insisté pour une réponse claire. Ariane Navarmari a finalement indiqué que le texte serait présenté dans un délai d'1 mois.
Donnez-nous une indication. Donnez-nous une indication, Madame la ministre.
Alors, selon mes informations, ce sera dans 1 mois.